Alright, so guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so excited. We are unboxing a new camera we have here. We have the new Osmo Pocket 3. There we go. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for a hot minute, but they have been sold out. So I finally got my hands on it, and I thought I'd unbox it with you guys, because why not? So let's open this, see it. It feels light and tiny and perfect. So that is exactly what I want, and I'm so excited. I got my handy dandy eyebrow scissors, because why would I use normal ones? I'm so excited for this. Okay. Oh, not me almost dropping it. I can't do anything with these home nails, so tweezers. So I got like the creator combo, which I think it comes with like the tripod mic and all that. So she is the big bad boy. Here we got the full package right here. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, period. It comes in a bag. What is in here? I feel like it's Christmas, but I buy my own gifts. Okay. We have, I don't know what this is. What is this? It is, oh, it's a protective cover. Perfect. Okay. Sick. So we have like a case basically, and I'm guessing the camera's in here. I also got a little memory stick here too, so let's open it. Okay, we have it here. I love how compact this is. This is like, I think this is smaller than my actual camera that I film on, so this is perfect for traveling. Like, hello. Okay, girl, please, you're struggling. Here it is. Oh my god, what the hell? It is so tiny. Like, it is actually this, like, this is my hand. Like, hello? Wait, this is so nice. Okay, I'm scared. Oh, do we switch it? Oh my god, stop. Okay, hold on, that's sick. Wait, I have to take this off. Okay, we're gonna, hold on, I have to, whoa, did you guys see that? Okay, it moved. Okay, sick. Okay, there's a little, we're gonna peel off. ASMR there. It's not even ASMR because I'm literally talking. Okay, so you flip the screen like this and it turns it on. Did you see that? That is sick. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, okay. Period. I have to connect it to my phone. Download it. Oh my god, this is so fancy. I feel like this is too high tech for me. I'm like, I'm honestly really not advanced enough for this. I'm, okay, sick. This is, wait, does it move? Hello? Oh, it is moving. Why? Oh, oops. What did I do? I love how it's so tiny. Like, you'll never know. I'm like, I'll be vlogging everywhere. Probably not, but maybe this will, you know, make me vlog more. We're gonna open the rest of this while the app charges. We have here, what does this come with? I have no idea what these things are. Like, is there a manual? Hello? Oh yeah, because clearly your girl needs a manual. Hi. Okay, let's try and find. Okay. Is this even helpful? I feel like I'm reading a map right now and I have no idea what I'm doing, so. Oh, okay. Yes, accept. Okay. Okay, we're figuring this out together. I'm so confused right now. I feel really lost. This is too high. Bro, what? I'm honestly confused. What is this for? Very confused, very uncertain. This is a really confusing pack. I think I should have like looked up videos or something. Okay, we have a little tripod stand here. I think it goes into this. Oh, this is the battery pack. I knew that. Okay, we have 2 battery packs. Is that what this is? Yeah, I don't even know at this point. We also have a little mic here. Oh my god, wait, that's gonna be so fun. Wait. Do I do gym content? Who am I kidding? I'm so scared to film at the gym. I'm scared to go to the gym. Oh, tap to. Whoa! Did you see that? Okay, well, let's open the SD card because I have to put this in. Oh my god, that's sick! I can see. Wait, hold on. Wait, that's so sick. I can see like everything. Wait. I can like see what I'm filming on my phone. Wait, that's actually so sick. I feel this is so trippy. Like, this is scary. Hello? Like, do you guys see that? Like, you can see... Wait, what? That's insane. Should we test it? Oh. Swipe right to adjust exposure. Oh my god, I don't like playing around with this because it's making me nervous. How am I supposed to know? Okay, well, it's recording now. This is 1080p also. So it's not 4... I need to change the settings to 4K. But... And then can I switch it? How do I, like, turn it? Like, the other way. Hello? Okay, hold on. Clearly, I'm struggling. Oh, okay. We rotated it. So now we're looking at you guys. Like, do you see that? I don't even know. Okay. This is so weird. How am I supposed to... I'm so confused right now. Okay, can I add this in? What does this do? Battery handle. Battery handle? I'm confused. Okay, updating battery handle. This is so confusing. I'm genuinely really confused right now. I don't know what's going on, but I put in the battery handle apparently. And the way this thing moves, it's freaking me out. Well, I like how I can see myself on my phone. Okay, let's do 4K. Preview high quality and how am I supposed to know? In DG Mimi? Is that what this is? Can I only see certain things? Is that why? If it's in 30, can I see myself? Oh. Okay, so I can only see myself in 4K 30, but I think that's high. Guys, you're learning this just as I'm learning it. So, okay. Well, we have a little stand here. Hey! I like how there's a little tripod. You can't even see, really. So we have this. Okay. Wait, the way I'm actually seeing everything right now. Okay. And I think it's wide lens. I have something else in here. I think this is for the mic. Oh my god, yeah, it's the little rat, fuzzy rat thing. I have one of these, but I don't really use it. This goes in the mic like this. See, now, oh my god, I feel so fancy. I'm gonna be like, hey guys. What? Why am I? Well, I'm literally acting brand new, as if I haven't been doing YouTube for over 10 years. Goodbye. This is honestly like the perfect travel like kit. I love how I'm able to like have everything in this kit, and it has a mic and everything. Wait, how does the mic work though? Wait, okay, how do I set it up? Oh my god, that's hello. What? This is so sick. Wait, I don't know if it's working or not. Hello, testing. Wait. Okay, I think it's connected to the mic now, so you guys have to tell me how it is. Wait, this is sick! I'm gonna walk around my room. You guys won't see me, but hold on. We're switching here. Is it working off the mic or like off of, I don't even know. See, this is so weird. Oh, okay, so we're learning this all together. Okay, so there's a charging pack on, like there's a charging thing in here to charge this. Then you have to charge this as well, but you can connect the two. So I think it's like a backup charger as well. And then you have a backup charger, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there's 3 charging things. So you have like the mini battery thing that has a tripod extension at the bottom, a second one, which is like the bigger one, and then the one that's actually the camera. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. I still need to figure this out myself, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys. This is just so cool to me. Honestly, this is a great like starter pack. Mic, you have this, and I need to figure out how to turn it, because I can turn it this way. See, now I can flip it this way, and now it's like a vertical, which is sick, because then when I do like, you know, reels and stuff, I can do this. I want to do it this way, and see, this is so sick. Oh my god, what? Hello? I just need to figure it out. I need to figure out the settings. I don't know how it looks on camera. I want to know how the coloring is also, because I've heard that you've had to color grade it on this, and I'm not used to color grading at all, so I need to figure this out. But we're gonna put the wide lens on and see. Okay, this is it with it on. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys tell me what I don't know. Oh, oops. On, off, on, off. This is off. I don't know if I really notice a difference. Oh, no, I do. I lied. I see the difference. Okay. I'm gonna play around with this, see what it's about. But this is it. I am obsessed with it. I love it. This is gonna be my go-to for filming because it's so tiny. But like I said, I love how compact it is. It's so nice and it's just so sleek and it's perfect. It's literally like the perfect travel camera. I need to figure it out because I'm traveling in 2 weeks. So, but that was this. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I like how you can connect it to your phone. That's very convenient. So I'm going to play around with it. You guys will definitely be seeing me vlog with it because I love my big camera, but it's just too big to be carrying around all the time. So I need to figure this little bad boy out. I love it so far. But yeah, so that was today's unboxing video. Oh my god. Sorry. I just had like a hiccup burp there. But if you liked it, if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. Hopefully I figure this out. And hopefully I like it because I'm scared of, I'm like, I think I will. I've seen so many videos. I've done so much research with it. And I've been wanting it for the longest time because it's just so like tiny and convenient and it has such good quality. So I'm definitely gonna have to test it out. But yeah, but I love y'all. Do not be silly on yourself. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace out, scouts. Bye.